Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix TEMU app, no internet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure your device is actually connected to the internet. Open a browser like Chrome and check if websites are loading properly. If pages load without any issues, then your internet connection is working fine. Next, try restarting the TEMU app. Close the app completely by opening the Recent Apps menu and clearing all running apps, or closing them one by one. Once everything is closed, reopen TEMU and see if it connects properly. This step alone often fixes temporary glitches. If restarting doesn't help, you can clear the app cache and data. On iPhone, simply go to your settings, then go to General and open iPhone Storage. Here, search for TEMU app and open it. Now tap on Offload app, confirm it, and wait for a bit. Then tap on Reinstall app and your app cache will be cleared. You should also check whether you're using a VPN. VPNs can sometimes interfere with app connections. If you have one enabled, turn it off and try opening TEMU again. If you don't use a VPN, you can move on to the next step. After that, head to the Google Play Store or App Store and check for app updates. Simply search for TEMU app, and if there's an update available for TEMU, make sure to install it, as updates often fix connection issues and bugs. If none of these steps work, the last option is to reinstall the app. Uninstall TEMU from your device, then go back to the Play Store or App Store, search for it, and install it again. Once installed, log in and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix TEMU app no internet. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.